Let's talk about the Treemap chart. Okay, so Treemap chart, it's actually one of the many new charts as well, available in Excel 2016 onwards. Okay, so the cool thing with the Treemap chart is they are very visual, right? Because it can easily show you patterns like based on the summary of sales grouped by month. So you could see here, we have our data here, we have the sales month, followed by sales region, and then we have the sales. Okay, so you can see the different region month combinations and what are the sales values. So February, March, right over here. Okay, so the three branches that you can see here in our chart are represented by rectangles. Okay, so we have, for example, February, we have March, right? We have January over here. Okay, so each rectangle, right? The size of each rectangle would denote how big the value. So in our case, that would be sales. Okay, so the bigger the sales, then the bigger the representation in the rectangle would be. So the Treemap chart would show each category in each unique color to make it easy to differentiate between each other. So for example, for February, you can see the legend over here that is color red, and then we have March, right, for green, and then we have January for blue. Okay, now let's create our Treemap chart. Maybe just select this, let me delete this now, and make sure to highlight your summary table. Let's go to Insert, Recommended Charts. Let's go to All Charts, and you would be able to see a Treemap selection in here. Okay, it's looking good. There's just one in here, so no worries on the selection. Okay, let's go to OK. And we have our Treemap chart. Let me just enlarge this a bit. Okay, now we can customize the look and feel more via Chart Tools, Design, right? And then just select one of the selections over here. Okay, and then if you don't need the chart title, you can just remove it. And now you have your Treemap chart.